All right, with that, let's bring some good news for the Mumbaikars in particular. The Maximum City is known to be plagued with heavy traffic congestion. Now, two projects in the phase 2 of the Mumbai monorail were inaugurated on Sunday. So, will these projects actually have an impact on easing traffic conditions? That's the question everyone is asking. Those are the pictures from the inauguration of the monorail in the second phase. You can see those brand new trains that will now be operational. Let me, in fact, also tell our viewers here that about some of this, some things about the second phase of the monorail in Mumbai. This phase is now going to be functional. The first commercial run took place at 6 a.m. this morning. The line connects Wadala to Mahalakshmi in South Mumbai. This line is supposed to increase ridership on the monorail from 18,000 to 1 lakh. However, the fact that the trains on this line will run at a frequency of 20 minutes is raising questions on whether it will attract a lot of commuters. The line was inaugurated by Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis.
बहुत ही मुझे खुशी है कि मुंबई की मोनो रेल आज दौड़ रही है। ये जो फेज 2 है, इसके बारे में कई सालों से अनाउंसमेंट होता था, लेकिन काम पूरा नहीं हो रहा था। MMRDA ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से इस काम को पूरा किया। ये जो प्रकल्प बंद पड़ा था उसको रिवाइव किया और आज ये काम पूरा हुआ है। और पहले केवल ये जॉय राइड थी, लेकिन अब ये पूरा लिंक पूरा होने के कारण मुंबई की मोबिलिटी में एक नया इजाफा इसके कारण हुआ है और मैं मुंबई की जनता को ये समर्पित करता हूँ।
Neha joining me live now with more inputs on this. Neha, undoubtedly big boost for the infrastructure in Mumbai, a city that is bursting in the seams and also dealing with severe congestion when it comes to public transport. Give us a sense of this particular monorail in phase 2 that has been inaugurated. What is the kind of load that it is going to take and how will it ease matters on the road and on the local trains for that matter?
That's right, after a wait of more than 10 years, the second phase of monorail has finally started, which means that the entire 19-kilometer line of monorail will be operational from today. While 4 services have already been plied since morning 6 a.m., we are now looking at the peak hour, the morning peak hour, when commuters have already reached the monorail station and are eager to take the monorail. We are right now at Chembur monorail and you are seeing the visuals of the peak line of commuters who have been waiting here since morning. What they say that the frequency is every 20 minutes, so they have to at least come 10 minutes before the next monorail comes so that they can ensure that they are boarding the monorail here. It is to be understood that the monorail is going to ease a lot of traffic, not only on roads but also of local trains. The people who have been the people who have been irritated with the bus travel, if it's not on time or because of the traffic, can easily take the monorail to walk to go till Jacob Circle. Or the same time, if local stations, if the local remains crowded, then they can take monorail here. Let's also speak to commuters to get a sense of if they are liking this service at all. आप पहली बार मोनोरेल से जा रहे हैं, आप हमेशा मोनोरेल से जा रहे हैं?
मैं इधर हमेशा निकलता रहता हूँ, कभी भी काम लगता है तो मैं इधर से जाता हूँ।
कौन से स्टेशन तक जा रहे हैं?
मैं बात पेट्रोलियम।
अच्छा, तो वहाँ पे आप हमेशा बस से जाते हैं या कैसे जाते हैं?
मैं हमेशा तो इधर से जाता हूँ।
कैसा लग रहा है मोनोरेल चालू हो गया?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
सर, आप कहाँ तक जा रहे हैं सर?
I'm going to Lower Parel.
Lower Parel. So you are actually going till the second phase, right? पहले आप कैसे जाते थे?
No, earlier I have taken just for the sake of it, just to see how it is. But right now my office is in Lower Parel and I stay here in Godrej.
So you think you're going to be greatly benefited because of the service?
Of course, it is.
How do you think it will be benefited from the road or railways that you've been using?
See, right now roads are congested. I do have a car, but I don't take it. It's very congested. For the railway, I have to go all the way to Kurla, change over, move. But this is the most convenient thing. And the ambience is good. It's well maintained. Hopefully it remains so.
So as you've heard, AC services here because of the monorail for Mumbai commuters have been inaugurated. Just to give you another peek here, though it's the first day of run, the arrival time still remains to be mentioned on the board here, which means certain teething problems still exist for this infrastructure service of the city, which is something the authorities can look at. But as of now, the first commercial done of the second phase of monorail is a great success.
This is a landmark moment in the sense that connectivity will be improved between central and South Mumbai. That's the basic idea of the second phase. And also, Neha, stay on with us. Let's also tell our viewers the much-awaited Parel local railway terminus in central Mumbai was flagged off on Sunday by Union Rail Minister Piyush Goyal. This new terminus could go a long way in decongesting the jam-packed local railway stations in Mumbai. Remember, 23 people had lost their lives in a stampede in the year 2017 at the highly congested Elphinstone Road station, which is connected to Parel. Apeksha Srivastav is right there in Lower Parel to help us understand how this is going to ease out matters for commuters. Apeksha, we were talking about how the second phase is going to be extremely useful for those commuters travelling between central to South Mumbai. Now, tell us more about the Parel junction and how that can also help those usually taking the local trains will have now the option of the monorail.
That's right, Afrida. In fact, it's a big relief for railway commuters because now the trains will originate and terminate at Parel station, which has now been converted into a terminus. Now, this has been a long-standing demand from the commuters because if we look at the way Parel has grown from being an essentially primarily a land mill, a mill area, it has now grown into a commercial hub, and almost on a daily basis we see more than 2 lakh commuters using this railway station. So it has been a long pending demand that it be turned into a terminus, and it has been finally done. And in fact, we are at Parel station, and what you look over here is a dedicated platform has been built so that trains can leave and come over here. And it's a Monday morning and we're looking at how useful is this, and because the railways have been claiming that this will go a long way in decongesting the traffic, not only at Parel but also at Delhi. In fact, Parel and the Prabhadevi stations are adjoining stations, and they provide a major connectivity between the 2 different parts of the city. And being a commercial hub, this station has become extremely important. Now, out of the 60 services that run from Dadar, almost half of them will be extended to Parel. In fact, let's just go across to a few people and try and understand. Sir, ये Parel का नया स्टेशन टर्मिनस शुरू किया, अब यहाँ से ट्रेनें निकलेंगी, क्या लगता है आपको कितना ये मदद करेगा भीड़ कम करने में?
मेरे साथ ये बहुत मदद करेगा कि मैं रहता हूँ टिटवाला, मई महीने से रहने गया इधर, मैं 25 साल इधर रह गया। मैं जाता हूँ ट्रेन पकड़ने को भायखला रिवर वापस जाता हूँ, मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है। उधर जो कोई भी आता है आसरा का सारा फुल भायखला तक ये 2-3 स्टेशन फुल हो जाता है, हमको बैठने को मिलता ही नहीं। तो इधर से छोड़ता है ना, तो इधर से क्या लोग बढ़ते जाएंगे, उधर बहुत ईजी होता है।
सर, काफ़ी भीड़ हो जाता था परेल पे, दादर पे, क्योंकि आप लोगों को दादर के वाया जाना पड़ता था, लेकिन जब अब यहाँ से ट्रेन शुरू हो रही है तो सुबह जब ऑफिस जाने का टाइम होता है काफ़ी भीड़ हो जाती है, तो क्या आपको लगता है इससे थोड़ा भीड़ कम हो जाएगा? Alright, so there are, although there are a lot of passengers, if you see around on the new platform, who've been waiting for the new train. However, there are so far there's not been a single train that has come in because it's unclear as to what time is the first train that has been scheduled. But it will, the railways claim that this will go a long way in decongesting both the Parel and the Dadar station also. And after that, important point here, this comes 1.5 years after the Elphinstone stampede, where almost 23 people lost their lives. Now, this essentially was done. The work on this terminus started speeding up following the tragedy. Now, there were several bridges that were built by the army. The platforms have been, the length of the platforms have been increased. The breadth has been increased to accommodate more people. So it's yet to be seen as to how
the footfall in the Parel station in particular is huge because there are commercial centers around this area. Now, what is extremely encouraging is, of course, the fact that with the second phase operational, a lot of office goers will benefit in these routes that we just mentioned. Neha and Apeksha, thanks very much for joining us.